Hi, I'm Shane and I'm here today to talk to you about the Perfexion Car Care range for your new vehicle. Well, as we all know, it's great to have leather in your car that looks, feels and smells amazing. Now, in doing so, it's important to maintain and care for your car's interior. Things like food and drink spills, ink and dye transfer, bacteria from perspiration, and splitting and cracking of your leather are all things that are going to actually change the look and the feel of your leather. Now, let's face it, you wouldn't buy a lounge at home without protecting it. Well, the same applies with your car's interior. Well, I have a great solution for you in Perfexion Leather Protection. Now, it has a unique formulation in that it nourishes and seals your leather, maintaining and preserving your new car's interior. It creates an invisible shield that actively resists contaminants that can damage your leather, including dirt, oils and perspiration. Now, as you can see, we've treated this car with half Perfexion Leather Protection. Now, it actually nourishes and seals the leather, so it gives us this really nice fine coat. Here's an example of some leather that hasn't been treated. And as you can see, there's cracking, splitting and fading. Now, with Perfexion Leather Protection, you can guarantee that your car will have that new smell and feel for the life of your car.